Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving deep into the leaked specifications and potential release date of the highly anticipated DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. But hold on a sec, things might not be quite what you expected. Buckle up, because this could be a turning point in the action camera rivalry. As you might recall, rumors swirled about DJI releasing two variants of their next-gen action camera. Now, thanks to tech tipster extraordinaire Ozil V, we have our first glimpse of the official design for the Osmo Action 5 Pro. The leaked image reveals a familiar rectangular shape, but with a more rugged and robust build compared to its predecessor. However, when it comes to overall design, Action 4 and Action 5 look strikingly similar. But wait, there's more. Ozil V dropped another bombshell, an image of a non-Pro variant. This confirms our suspicions. DJI will offer two options, a feature-packed Pro model and a budget-friendly alternative. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the specs. Here's where things get interesting, or perhaps underwhelming. The Osmo Action 5 Pro boasts a 1/1 3-inch CMOS sensor with an f/2.8 aperture, promising improved low-light performance. But here's the catch. These specs are identical to the Action 4. While we might see a slight bump in photo and video quality, it's not a major leap forward. The leaked image also hints at a 155-degree wide-angle field of view for the Action 5 Pro, capturing more of the scene. However, this isn't exactly groundbreaking. It's the same FOV as the Action 4 and currently the widest available on the market. So far, the Pro in Osmo Action 5 Pro seems a bit misleading, but fear not, there might be a silver lining. The key upgrades could lie in the software department. DJI is mum on the specifics, but whispers suggest advanced image and video recording algorithms. This translates to potentially industry-leading stabilization with rock-steady 4.0 plus for butter-smooth footage, even in the most action-packed scenarios. This new tech could also enhance low-light image quality. Another significant upgrade, and a welcome one for all you adventure enthusiasts, is battery life. FCC listings point towards a 5 to 9 volt input rating with a maximum of 3 amps, while reports suggest a battery capacity bump to 1,950 mAh. Additionally, the camera will reportedly support fast charging up to a hopping 27 doi. This means more shooting time and quicker recharges to keep you in the action. Pricing is still under wraps, but considering the Osmo Action 4's standard combo sits at $299, we can expect a similar price tag for the Action 5 Pro. The standard Action 5 will likely be even more affordable. With these leaks surfacing, it's clear that the Osmo Action 5 Pro launch is imminent. Many reports suggest a potential unveiling on August 1st. But the big question remains, does the Action 5 Pro live up to the Pro moniker? With a few minor tweaks, could GoPro leverage this opportunity to steal the show with their upcoming Hero 13 Black? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Technology in the Future for all the latest tech news and insights. Stay tuned, because the battle for action camera supremacy is heating up.